Previously on stream.
Why do I always forget that happens now?
A group of hostiles is moving toward a boat on the east shore. They're escorting someone who appears to be unarmed.
If Emmeline gets away, finding her isn't going to be easy. You've got it. That is good for us. Get in there and solve the problem.
So I've got 2 directives on. I'm going to risk it and see how I get on with the, yeah. See how we get on. If we die, I'll take them all. If we've got to start the game again, let's see how we get on.
There is your main objective. There are a few high priority
Oh,
targets.
where am I going? That's a great start, isn't it, to the stream going the wrong way? Oh. Oh, that poor tree, what did it do to you?
Be careful. They're bound to be expecting you.
Guys, come on, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Okay, let's open that up. Okay, let's get off the boat. Oh! Yeah, let me get off.
Without their leader and their
Yay!
strong, the outcasts are going to be much less of a problem than before. You know, what happened to them was horrific.
That was a really good ending.
It's even worse.
Ow. She didn't want to go down, did she? Ooh, split up. Right. Okay, well that was pretty shameful, wasn't it? I know you didn't. Oh dear me. Let's never talk about that again. Oh, that was a bit crazy.
And now.
Okay, good evening, everybody. Yeah, some of those clips a little bit dodgy. Anyway, it's Monday night. It's 7:05 here in the UK. So, welcome to stream. We're going to just do what we normally do, which is the projects, seasonal house project and the daily project today. So, see how we go from there. So I've set my equipment up in a different way tonight, so hopefully the sound and the volume and the picture are all okay this evening. I'm sure you'll let me know if they are not. Let's just get straight on with it this evening. Let's get to Federal Emergency Bunker. Let's do the season. And the classified missions have appeared back on the map. Oh, interesting. There's got to be a reason for that. I'm going to have to Google it. Okay, let's make sure it's all right again. Stick it a couple of directors on tonight. Make it a little bit more interesting. Let's do two, see if we get on.
We need to find out what happened to the team that went to try to repair the main shade node. The federal shelter should be beneath your current position. Find a way down there, but proceed with caution.
Let's see, where are they? And as usual, I'm at the wrong door. Where do you think you're going? Gotta love the set ammos, haven't you? Oh.
Agent in need of backup.
Okay, so far so good. Oh, facing the wrong way.
You know that bitch hiding from us was our Rosie alive.
Stayed on the island with us today and live longer.
Oh. Let's try and get him now before he gets too close. Oh. don't you come around here and... Do you ever feel like you picked the wrong direction?
Medical assistance needed.
We go. Ooh.
Agent down.
Okay, that felt a bit intense. Did anyone else feel that?
Human remains detected. Identified as division agents.
Oh,
There's no way the outcasts could have taken out an entire squad in a fair fight. It's not possible.
Online computer detected.
Great. You can use the computer to sync Isaac with their comm system. Hopefully we can get a 20 on our team. If they're in any shape to answer.
Connection established.
Hello? Can you hear me? This is Manny Ortega with the Division.
Manny, thank God. It's Maya. I'm all that's left on our team. We couldn't get the node back online. I salvaged some equipment that will get the White House node connected to the national network, but before I could get back, those crazy fucks showed up. You gotta get me out of here.
Ouch.
Yeah, that's it.
Is it me or is it getting hot in here? Sorry. Not meant to be said.
That bitch can't hide forever.
Oh!
I think I'm safe for now, but please hurry.
Help is on the way, Maya. Sit tight and just try to stay calm.
That seemed a bit quicker than it normally is, isn't it? Because I'm playing on my dog. Actually, that sounded really wrong, didn't it? What I should have said is playing on my own. Oh dear. Let's not add that to the recap.
Extreme heat surge. Sprinkler system detected.
If you trigger the sprinklers, they should be able to put out the flames.
Give me cover.
Can you see them?
Yeah,
Got
you're on
one
the
at
wrong
flames.
side.
I don't know if Maya has any fireproof gear.
Count.
I have to move. Someone's trying to break in.
Intelligence is needed.
but I don't think they're gonna stop coming after me. I don't know what I did to make them so mad. You have to stop them. They're coming! It's not safe!
Oh. Okay, get out of the way. What is it? A secret? They're just going to burn me. Oh. Why did I look? Why did I look behind me? Oh. That wasn't very nice. Who said that? Oh, right, okay. So we can get down in. Oh, not as easy as it looks. Until I've been cornered. Oh. Right, run away, run away. Oh dear, that'll teach me to put the rage meter on, won't it then? Oh dear me. Let's have a look. How did that look? Before we talk to Myra. Oh, that looked like it hurt. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ooh. Well, he went down eventually. Got Carter's house straight out of it as well, which is cool. Excellent. Yeah, I think we need to watch that again.
Canada showed up when you did. I'll head back as soon as the escort team arrives.
With the equipment Maya recovered, we can restore the Shade network across the entire country. And I'll send a team to assist Maya to retrieve the fallen for a proper burial.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. Round of applause very much appreciated. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but let's just click this and get out of here. Sounds like there's a sound glitch in the sound. Okay, let's go on to the dailies in the DHT. DCD, sorry. That noise was to be honest, I thought that was my sound system then. Oh dear, northern game must be a glitch.
I've marked it on your map.
RTP. Here we go, 2 different directors this time. Oh, we're all done, we can go.
Looks like they're coming
Let's
from
do
the
this.
DCD complex. Whatever's happening over there, we need to shut it down.
Oh, excuse me. Didn't mean to cough into the microphone.
I need help!
I don't know where that came from.
Terminal detected.
See if you can hook Isaac into that terminal and get us some intel.
They're heading for the outfield tunnel! Stop them!
see what we've got. There's an active lab on the north side close to you. Your first priority should be to shut that down.
Finish them here.
Looks like the best way to take the lab offline is the decontamination protocol.
That's just a fancy way of saying everything gets sterilized.
Isaac's not detecting the gas needed for the decon process. They must have disabled the line.
Hit the main fuel line in the basement. That should get it flowing again.
Open the fuel line. That should give the decon protocol enough gas to run.
They're in the basement!
At least give me time to reload. Oh, where did he go? So that's what I want. Don't run. Oh, hello. Yeah, you didn't stand a chance, buddy. Could I have handled that better? Probably.
The decontamination protocol can be initiated from a panel in the lab above you. Stay put once you pull the trigger and you should be safe. Top floor, you can't miss it. It's right in the middle of the lab.
Yeah, I wasn't going the wrong way then.
Virus cells detected.
I guess you could call that training.
I can bring you.
So I can hear you, but I can't see you. That's because you're burning your line.
You should be able to access the morgue at the far end of the West Wing construction site. If they haven't been disposing of the corpses properly, we could have another outbreak on our hands.
That might be a good idea. I feel like I've restocked for a while.
It could be anywhere.
Okay, yeah, that's close enough. What a great way to die.
Stay calm. Put him down.
The outcasts are using blood from an asymptomatic carrier. Someone who's infected but doesn't show symptoms. If I'm right, they're weaponizing green poison and turning it loose on the city. Destroy anything that might be contaminated.
Do you know, I think that's the smoothest I've ever come down now. Was expecting that to be a bit more chaotic. Oh. Is this a room?
Emmeline's the head of the outcasts. If she's an asymptomatic carrier, they've got an endless supply of the virus to play with.
Agent, your route out is going to take you into the DCD research library.
Hey, while you're in there, do me a favor. Recover everything you can on broad-spectrum antivirals.
Yeah, she said that like I knew what that was supposed to be. That's great, that's great.
Let's dip this.
Right. Yeah, you...
The DCD's data analysis lab is just ahead. See what data you can grab for Kelso.
Data transfer initiated.
I don't know. Who's going to clean up all these bodies? Not me.
Data transfer completed.
Let's get that
Gotta
door
get out of
open.
there. The lab and samples destroyed. I don't think the outcasts are gonna be able to do much else from here.
Thanks for getting me that data to play with.
Hostiles are moving to your position. Suggest an egress through the courtyard to avoid getting boxed in.
Here they come. Be careful.
Okay, let's just go for this and fire. And... use this as a tool.
Take that, this bitch! And I'll let you answer the Do you have any idea how much damage you've done? I'm moving to the fucking patient!
Okay, who's firing at me? Here.
Big today. I'm loading.
Okay.
Shield! 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 Move up and move in. You're all set.
Yay. And there you have it. It's one of the daily books. Thank you, son. Let's go find out what else has got to be done. Okay, okay. We have activities in Constitution Hall. Resupply of friendly control in Constitution Hall. So we got to do a control hall. What's we do? We
Hostile broadcast detected. Incoming backup request.
Okay, here we go. So, hello everybody, to your position.
Hostile
Oh. I know what you're wondering. Why am I hiding? Excellent. Some support.
Hostile broadcast detected.
Oh. Oh. Stop pointing that thing at me.
Heavily armored hostile detected.
Oh. Oh, dear.
Broadcast picked up.
I know what you're thinking. What's he doing? Well, if he knew, I'm sure he'd tell us. Oh, retreat.
Taking care of it. They're trying to get behind you. Got one. Not in cover.
Oh. Gotcha.
Hostile broadcast detected.
Gotta reload.
Me too.
Incoming hostiles detected.
Get away. Get behind you. Stay the fuck away. Coming from behind you.
Is this on fire with me?
Over there. They're coming at us from cover.
Hostile broadcast picked up.
Use some dead cover. Not in good shape.
Where do you think I'm going?
Heavily armored hostile detected.
God, here we go.
Hostile broadcast detected.
Oh dear. Couldn't get the bad guy.
Supply run access unlocked.
Okay. Let's resupply the control officer.
That's an impressive weapon.
Choo-choo. So what's left is more activity. Look what's over there.
What do you think they're doing?
I think I hear him.
There we go. Let's just do this and then we've done the daily.
Grandparents, friends, families, all of you that were treated like animals on Roosevelt Island. I swear, the outcasts will burn every last one of those responsible.
Friendly control point detected.
Protect you from it. Nobody will escape when we unleash this poison onto the city.
So I didn't tackle that very well. Never mind.
JTF and division agents listening to this broadcast. We will not stop hunting you down. There will be no forgiveness until
What was she doing? It was a bit weird. Okay, did someone throw some?
Access detected. Assaulted. Required.
the true sons think we are deranged. They call us
Progress resumed.
No damn survivor.
Is the thing is done? Ooh.
The shiny white ass of the... Like, I get it. She's hot in a stereotypical...
And there you have it. seasonal pass project completed, daily project completed, which is what I wanted to do for this evening's stream. So you might be wondering why I haven't done the weekly project. Literally just because of the weather. Been outside enjoying the sun and the garden, although you wouldn't think it had been out if you'd looked outside my window this evening. And anyway, that's it for this evening. We're back. Hopefully the sound quality of the video and everything else is going good. So we shall see when I watch this back live, or not so live. Yeah, anyway, I think I need to go because I'm going to say something really silly that doesn't make sense, just like this bit of conversation. Anyway, it's good to be back, and I will say until next time, agents.